Hello all, we are here for the lesson number 37 of this VariCAD training, and this lesson is called Groups of Solids. To see the functionalities I want to show you, we will use again the sample4 file of the installation of VariCAD. So let us open the sample4, which has an assembly that you already seen previously. And I would like to start telling you that why the use of groups. In several ways and in practical terms, when we want to select things, it is useful to have certain parts, and especially when we are leading with assemblies and with sub-assemblies, which are something that we are going to see on the near future, it is very useful to have the parts, the different similar parts of a machine, of an assembly, grouped, okay? And when we have them grouped, we can work very easily in terms of visibility, changing some characteristics of this group of solids, and even for the definition of sub-assemblies. Okay, so to show you how to deal with this, we should go to this tools menu and to this command 3D groups management. Here in this standard file we have already some assemblies defined, okay, and here we can see all the things we can do with the groups. So we can define solids inside the group. We can say they are visible or not, visible or blanked, and shaded or wireframe. Before I create a new one, I will show you a little how to deal with this. So for example, we have to see solids in group if they are defined or not. If they are undefined, the group has nothing inside. So for example, in terms of this group called cylinder 100, it is defined, so it has solids in group. I will click inside on top of this line with my right mouse button, and I open some options. So the first option I have available is the blank solids. So blank, and you see that a part of this assembly disappeared. Why? Because I said visible no, they are blanked. Okay. If I click again, now I can do the unblank. Okay. On this part we have the option of shaded and wireframe. The same, we can make a click with the right mouse button, do the wireframe. Okay, I did it on the other below, or shade, or on the other one, wireframe, and basically it's like this. Okay, very easy, very practical to use. Okay, anyway, just to show you how to create a new one, we can do the create to say, okay, give me a new name. So I can say, for example, group 1, create a new group, and now I have it here. I again right mouse button, click, add remove solid. So I say I want this guy, and for example this and this and this one. Okay, do the OK, and okay, it's defined now. The same options here, we've already seen them, and we can have a couple of other things like the highlight. Okay, it is here. We can add or remove solids. I can say I want this guy also belonging to the same group. Now I can test this and make the highlight. You see that, okay, it's here. I can rename the group. Said I don't want to call it group 1, I want to call it group 1000. Okay, update it. and I can clear the group or delete the group. If I say clear the group, now the state is undefined, so I don't have anything inside of this group. Or if I want to say delete group, the group was deleted. Okay, this is how to work with the groups. We have other things we can do with this, and basically everything that opens that changes characteristics of solids and opens the 3D bar selection, so we can use with this functionality. An example, it is, for example, I want to change color. I can give a new color, it doesn't matter what, and you see on this toolbar 3D selection, one of the items that we've seen already in one of the previous lessons was we can make a selection based on groups in this icon. So I can select one of the groups, I would say cylinder 100, and say the OK. It is not shaded, but I can do the shaded. The icon is this one. I can do the shade solids. Okay, you see that the color was changed for all the entities of the group. Okay, it is very easy, this topic. I hope it has been clear, and again I hope to see you in my next lesson of this course.